Hello and welcome to the ninth day in the fifth edition of Late Arjun Madhvi Women's Trophy. First ball, here we go. In the ninth day, tucked it down nicely, down to the deep backward point region. There is a protection out here. Good positive running, just a wide throw. Very good running, positive running on the first delivery itself. Good start this from Dilip Vengsarkar Foundation. Just lean forward, driven nicely down to the backward point region. Away she goes for the first boundary of this inning for the over. To start from the opposition end. Poonam once again on strike, leaning nicely on that drive. A very good handsome cover drive down to the deep extra cover region for a boundary. Nicely lean forward. Sara on strike for the first time. It is up in the air, mid on in action. Quite a wavered start from Sara. First delivery, she wanted to hit it above the mid-on fielder, but straight in the hands of that fielder stationed there. First wicket down for Dilip Vengsarkar Foundation. Full toss delivery just on the off stump. Driven nicely down to the mid-off region. Slight bit of misfielding allows that ball to go down to the long-off boundary. Tossed up delivery, nicely lean forward, up in the air. Second wicket down. Not the start Dilip Vengsarkar Foundation wanted. Shweta Kalpati back in the dugout. But quite easily it was converted into single this time. Very good hit down to the deep mid-wicket region. Short of length delivery. Just played with an angle bat down to the vacant area. Deep mid-wicket region. Away she goes for a boundary. Flatter one this time. Just a sloppy work in the field allows the ball to ricochet down to the deep mid-wicket boundary. Quite a long time left in this inning. Tossed up delivery, full toss outside the off stump. Lean nicely. Very good effort by the backward point fielder, but couldn't stop that ball. Pretty short that one. Helped it nicely down to the deep square leg region for a boundary. Once again flatter. It is up in the air. Going down to the vacant deep square leg region. Second boundary. There have been many of the selectors visiting us for the past 8 days. Played down to the cover region, and a slight misfielding allows that ball to go down to the deep extra cover boundary. Till then, Yayati picked up that wicket. Brilliant catch it was. Swayed down to the mid-wicket region. Very good hit that from Poonam Rao. Short of length delivery. This is a hit on the up, down to the vacant deep mid-wicket region. Low full toss. Helped it around the mid-on region, and down it goes to the vacant long-on region for a welcome boundary at the end of. Definitely helps them. Full toss delivery. Swing down the leg side. One bounce over the boundary lines. We'll wait for the umpire signal. That's the first big hit off the bat in this inning. 8 of 44 deliveries. Nicely bowled this just around the middle and leg stump. Helped it around down to the fine leg region. Going down to the boundary. Played off the back foot down to the cover region. 50 up for Poonam Raut. Acknowledges the dugout. What a crucial inning this has been. Plays a good hand up till now, 45 runs. This time down the leg side, helped it along down to the deep square leg region. A sloppy work this time allows the ball to go down to the boundary. Welcome boundary this at the end of the 28th over. 119 runs on the board for the loss of 2 wickets. And 100 partnership up. Brilliant partnership this has been. 100 of just 103 deliveries. Gauri Manjrekar. Wicket goes down. Just a lapse in concentration. That's what they wanted. Regal Cricket Club. They are so ecstatic. Third wicket down just after a short drinks break. Regal Cricket Club. They are attacking. They want wickets. Swing on the leg side this time. going down to the fine leg boundary region. Just outside the off stump, sloppy work from the short cover fielder allows to roll over down to the long off region. 50 up for Kritika. Good knock it has been from Kritika. Raises the bat, acknowledges the dugout. 50 of 56 deliveries. Kritika battling it out in the middle. Full toss delivery. Played with an angle bat down to the vacant. Deep backward point. Over. Tossed up delivery. Lean forward. Good cover drive down to the extra cover region. Back to back boundaries. What a brilliant batting display it was against 40 youngsters. Up in the air. Just away from the fielder. Just ricocheted once it's pitched and away she went for a boundary. Just a sloppy work from the fielder at the deep square leg region. On strike, Aditi Surve. Just down the leg side, helping it along in the vacant area. The deep square leg fielder in action. Flatter delivery. There's a fourth wicket down. Just 8 boundaries up till now in this edition and 13 sixes. This is up in the air. Going down to the cow corner region. Gap between the long on and mid wicket. In Aditi Surve. Nicely flicked off the toes down to the deep square leg region. Second boundary of this over. 3 runs on the board. Short of length delivery. Hit nicely. Down to the mid wicket region. Away she goes for a boundary. T deliveries. Just a hint of away movement. Nicely played down to the long on region. Away she goes for a boundary. This is played nicely back to the bowler. Outstanding catch. What a catch on her follow through. Gauri Kadam. From Komal Jadhav. A little bit toss delivery. Played down to the deep square leg region. Away she goes for a boundary. Just playing once again on the leg side this time. Deep square leg once again. A slight fumble and allows that ball to roll over for a boundary. Good end. Good finish to that over for Dilip Vengsarkar Foundation. Tossed up delivery outside the off stump. Takes it on the full. Sloppy work from the short cover fielder. Allows that ball to go to the vacant deep extra cover region for a boundary. 215 runs on the board for over. This time nicely hit down to the mid wicket region. Couldn't stop that going on for a boundary. Really close. Tossed up delivery. Drawing the batter forward. Wicket goes down. Very good delivery. And great work from the wicket keeper. Jetson. Second success for her in this inning. Rocked on the back foot. Cut it nicely down to the deep backward point region. Good work by the fielder at the extra cover region. Slight hesitation for going for the second. Throw at the non-striker end and wicket goes down. 7th wicket down. New batter coming in. Nidhi Davda. The wicket keeper for the side. This time hit it nicely. Down to the vacant deep square leg region. Could hit that. Kadam in action. Right arm over the wicket. Played with an angle bat down to the square leg region. It is racing towards the boundary. Nidhi Davda on strike. Wicket goes down. Wanted to slog hit down to the mid wicket region. No connection of the bat. Takes the off stump. Start of a new over. The 38th over of this inning. Played nicely. Good start this off for the 38th over. Starts with the boundary. 246 for 8. Anisha on the charge. Short of length delivery. Played nicely down to the long on region for a boundary. Did the support for conducting this event quite smoothly. Wrapped on the bats in between. Wanted to play on the onside. This time wicket goes down. 9th wicket down. Anisha looks so good. Just a single, I believe. Throw at the striker end, but couldn't hit the stumps. Just a single to end the inning. At the end of the 40th inning, Dilip Vengsarkar Foundation, 260 runs on the board for the loss of 9 wickets. A target of 261 for Regal Cricket Club. Both the batters going in. to start the proceedings after the break. Regal Cricket Club. Target of 261 in 40 overs. First delivery just outside the off stump. Up in the air, nicely played it down to the vacant deep mid wicket for a boundary. Right arm over the wicket. She has been brilliant. Just takes the inner half of the bat, goes down to the mid wicket region. Good effort though, just at the last moment she slipped. Foolish delivery, played down to the deep square leg region for a boundary. Good hit that. But leaving that, she has been very good. Nicely driven on the up, down to the gap. Turning out to be an expensive over. Just a gentle push, sloppy work by the fielder at the backward point region. Back-to-back boundaries. Just spraying down the leg side. Welcome boundary. Down. Continue. Flatter than the previous one. What a gap she found between backward point and extra cover. Along with him, Sushma Madhvi ma'am, one of the member. This is up in the air, played nicely, long on in action, wicket goes down. That's what they were looking for. Good catch by Poonam Raut. Still on strike. 2 deliveries left in the 17th over. This time nicely played off the wrist down to the deep square leg region. Away she goes for a boundary. Batting on 41. Tossed up delivery up in the air, played nicely. Down the ground, down to the long off region for a boundary. Short of length, well wide outside the off stump. Nicely played down to the backward point region for a boundary. Just outside the off stump, I believe there was some edge. Just flows down to the third man region for a boundary. Driven nicely down the ground, down to the mid-off region. 50 up for Shrishti Naik in just 64 deliveries. Brilliant inning it has been. Raises the bat, acknowledges the crowd and the dugout. Crucial knock this has been. 50 of 64 deliveries. Kansha on strike. Giving a good hand support to Shrishti. This is played nicely down to the corner. Boundary, welcome boundary this. Start of a new over. Kritika to continue. Low full toss. Played up in the air. Extra cover region. Nidhi is there. Just a single. Going for the second. Throw coming at the non-striker end. Just a little bit wide. Second wicket down. Not needed at all. They were going brilliantly. From the opposition end. Right arm over the wicket. Kritika. Up in the air. Nicely played it down the vacant area. Nidhi once again this time. Couldn't save that. Going for a boundary. Tossed up delivery. Just spraying down the leg side. Nicely helped it around the corner of deep fine leg. It is going towards the fence. Shrishti Naik 67 of 79. Short of length delivery. Played down to the deep square leg region. Welcome boundary. Tossed up delivery. Inside out hit. This time down to the extra cover region. Brilliant batting this from Shrishti. Prior to this, only 1 century has been hit. In this edition, this is up in the air. Wicket goes down. Shrishti Naik back in the dugout after playing a wonderful knock. Just as we thought, the game is slipping away once again from the hands of Dilip Vengsarkar Foundation. A lucky breakthrough. Regal Cricket Club versus Dilip Vengsarkar Foundation up in the air. It is going down to the long on region for a boundary. Clipped it around down to the deep square leg region for a welcome boundary. Good hit that from Jetsun. The second over of the innings, Sara Samad. Up in the air, flicked along nicely down to the cow corner region. One bounce over the fence. Good hit that. Good start for the over. For Full toss delivery. Played on the up. Straight in the hands of the cover fielder. Fourth wicket down. 25 of 24 deliveries she's batting on. Flighted delivery just outside the off stump. Nicely played down to the vacant. Seventh over of her spell. Full toss delivery. Driven nicely. Going down to the extra cover boundary. Hits the fence. Vengsaka Foundation. Just outside the off stump. Nicely played. Couldn't stop that. Going down to the boundary. Down to the extra cover region. Short of length delivery. Wanted to tuck it on the offside. And run out at the non-striker end. Back in the match. Outstanding that one from Siddhi Pawar. Wanted to steal that single. Not required. Lot of deliveries left. Flicked it around the corner. Down to the deep square leg region. Away she goes for a boundary. Right arm over the wicket. Short of length delivery. Rocked on the back foot. Played nicely down to the deep backward point region. Away she goes for a boundary. Swaying down the leg side this time. Helped it along nicely down to the deep fine leg boundary. Full toss delivery. Played down to the mid wicket region. Wicket goes down. Sixth wicket down. Jetson back in the pavilion. This was the wicket they wanted. They have got it. Is there a twist in this match? Still left. She was playing brilliantly. Just inching towards a half century. 10 of 9 deliveries. Gauri Kadam just came in. 2 of 2. Goes down the track. Up in the air. Wicket goes down. 7th wicket down. Back in the match. Dilip Vengsaka Foundation. Just a seesaw battle continuing. Good delivery. This angled in. And this time a sloppy work from Poonam Raut allows the ball to go down to the boundary. Pressure, pressure and pressure. 4. Good bowling this. Good delivery. Back-to-back dot deliveries. 7 of 3. Gauri Kadam. This time tucked it on the outside. A single on offer. They're going for the second. A sloppy work. They're going for the third. Throw at the non-striker end. Wicket down. Definitely. We'll wait for the umpire signal. Not out is the call. Not out is the call. 3 runs taken there. Victory for Dilip Vengsaka Foundation. Outstanding Kushigiri with her work. Brilliant. Hard luck Regal Cricket Club. What an outstanding match this has been. Brilliant those two sides have been. I'd like to request Sushma Madhvi ma'am to please hand over the star woman for the day. A special knock of 57 of 70 deliveries with 6 boundaries in it and 1 6, 2 wickets and 2 catches. Kritika Krishna Kumar.